Let's begin.
MS PowerPoint. Now we will come to the next slide. Introduction. In this content we have to learn introduction. We need to know built-in templates. We need to know viewing presentation. Now introduction on PPTX. Now what is PowerPoint? A PowerPoint is often used to create a business presentation but can also be used for educational or informal processes. A slide is a single page of presentation. What is slideshow? A slideshow is an exposition of a series of slides or images in an electronic device or in a projection screen. A PowerPoint template is a pattern or a blueprint of the slide or a group of slides that we can save with .pptx file. You can see this is a PowerPoint is open. You can have the title bar, you can have a placeholder, you can have a quick access toolbar, we can have a slide tab, you can have an outline slide. This is a slide pane, this is slide view, this is note pane, this is view button. Now, next slide. What are the features of MS PowerPoint? We can customize the color scheme. We can add animation effects, use the slides, notes and handout masters, create and edit import charts, create and edit tables, manage hyperlinks, create custom shows. How to start and create a PowerPoint? To open a PowerPoint from the Start menu, you have to pin the program name to the menu. Click the Start button or choose All Program Microsoft Office. Right-click on the Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007 on the sub menu and choose the Pin to Start menu on the pop-up menu. Now, this is how you can start and this is how you can create. Click on the Office button, New to the PowerPoint 2007. Choose the new drop-down list. You can see the new presentation dialog box. Double click on the blank presentation. A new presentation appears. You can also create a new blank presentation with pressing Ctrl+N once you have opened the PowerPoint program. Now, built-in templates. What are templates? You can see how we can open a template. You can see there are default templates are there in MS PowerPoint 2007. Now, to open the template, we need to go to Open MS PowerPoint by selecting Start All Program, MS Office PPTX 2007. Click on the Office button and New option, a new presentation dialog box will appear. Select the template section, click on the Create button from the selected template. New presentation contain 18 slides, the slide layout, background themes, etc. Now come to the Smart Art. You can see here some of the things are there in Insert tab. In that Insert tab there is a Smart Art. What is actually a Smart Art? A Smart Art is a type of graphical tools including in the latest version of Word. A Smart Art is basically a way to make organization presentation arts. Select a slide from the slide pane where the Smart Art has to be inserted. Click on the Smart Art button in the illustration group. On the Insert tab, choose the Smart Arts graphic dialog box appears. Select the basic pyramid. The Smart Arts will insert on the slide. Now come to the theme, using theme. Click on the Design tab. Under the theme group, scroll down the mouse over a available theme. Click on the More drop-down arrow at the bottom right of the theme group. In this drop-down menu, you will also find an option like Browse for the themes and save current theme on your computer or from the internet. Select the required theme type. You can see there are the default themes are present in 2007 PowerPoint. Now we will concentrate on viewing a presentation. What is a viewing a presentation? We have a normal view. A normal view is editing mode where you will work most frequently to create your slide. To how to open a normal view, to open this view, open the view tab and click on the normal button. You can open a view tab and click on the normal tab. What is a slide sorter view? Slide sorter view gives you a view of your slides in a thumbnail form. Click the slide sorter view button on the bottom left corner of the page. Click the slide you want to move. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the slide to its new location. A pointer with a box appears as a drag the slide. You can see these are the slide sorter. Now slideshow view takes up the full computer screen like an actual presentation. In this view, you see your presentation the way your audience will. Now these are the steps. Click on the slideshow button on the status bar or view slideshow or click on the slideshow tab and beginning option, or you can press F5 button from your keyboard. Thank you.